Moving on, infrastructure is a key aspect for the economic growth of our country. Finance Minister Arun Jaitley, while addressing a seminar on best practices in PPP and long-term infrastructure financing in the national capital, said the greatest challenges of future decades is how to fill infrastructure deficit and how to fund it. Finance Minister Arun Jaitley said infusing funds into infrastructure will remain a continuous challenge if India has to grow at 7%. Finance Minister was addressing a BRICS seminar on best practices in public-private partnership and long-term infrastructure financing in the national capital. He said the infrastructure gaps must be plugged, which is a challenge. He also said various models of public-private partnership will help in boosting the infrastructure growth.
If India is to grow and grow faster than its current rate of 7.5%, or thereabout, infrastructure is really the key. And I think one of the great potentials in building up and continuing to build up the growth story would be that we continue to fill up these infrastructure gaps.
13,000 public-private partnership projects are at various stages of implementation in various sectors currently. Economic Affairs Secretary Shaktikanta Das said India is attracting investments with respect to infrastructure in various sectors like power, and almost all the problems in highway sector are sorted out. He also said government is getting into agreements with various countries and institutions to boost the infrastructure growth.
We have already interacted with, we already MOUs with the idea of, that is Abu Dhabi Investment Authority, with Qatar Investment Authority. We have also with an agreement with the MOU with the Rusnano. We have entered into MOU some kind of an understanding with the government of the UK Treasury and with US Treasury also. And there are now proposals, 2-3 other proposals to be MOUs to be signed with other countries. So there is a lot of investment appetite, and it is just I think a matter of weeks or maybe 1 or 2 months at best, where we will see that actual activities are taking off.
As Finance Minister said, government has the primary responsibility of infrastructure funding and is attempting various models to develop infrastructure in the country. Infrastructure is a key for the economic growth of any country. And for countries like India, plugging the gaps and addressing the infrastructure deficits is the most important task, as Finance Minister Arun Jaitley said. And public-private partnership will play a prominent role in the same. With camera person Sanjay Jaina, this is Venkat Raman reporting for DD News, New Delhi.